Let me ask you a question. What if every reward point you ever earned was actually part of the plan to keep you broke? Think about that. You swipe, you see the notification, 2% back, and for a split second, you feel smart. That feeling, banks engineered it. They spent billions designing that feeling because a customer who feels smart never questions the system. That's exactly what they want. That's extracting from them. No questions. I've been working in credit and finance for 37 years, and the truth of the matter is cash back is not a benefit. It's a distraction, a very expensive distraction. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how the math works against you. 3 silent taxes draining you right now, and the one card built to actually move money into your future. Well, subscribe and hit that bell right now. They really don't want this circulating. So let's talk about this. Let me walk you through the math. You spend $3,000 a month. Groceries, gas, software, utilities, $3,000. The bank gives you 2% back. That's $60. You spent $3,000. You got $60 back. You lost $2,940 to the bank, and you thank them for it. I'm going to say that again. You lost $2,940 and you thanked them for it. Reward card holders spend 12 to 18% more than people paying cash because the reward creates a loop. You spend to earn, you earn to spend again. Same person, same habits, but the bank positions you to feel like you're winning while they extract. The reward isn't the benefit. I'm going to say that again. The reward is the distraction. This is important. So there are 3 silent taxes built into most premium reward cards. Silent tax number 1, foreign transaction fees. Most people don't get this one. 3% on every international purchase. Digital ads on Meta because those servers are global. Software subscriptions often rooted internationally. Contractors overseas. You think you're earning 2%. You're actually in the hole by 1% and you never saw it coming. Silent tax number 2, annual fees. The Capital One Venture X, $395 a year. At 2% cash back, you need to spend $19,750 just to break even on the fee before you earn your first real dollar. Silent tax number 3, the redemption trap. Your points are locked in a travel portal. Your cash back is sitting on an app. If you don't redeem, the bank keeps the float. If you do redeem, you almost always spend more than the reward was worth. Because the truth of the matter is the system is not broken. It is working exactly as it has been designed, just not for you and me. So this is important. Now let me show you what a card looks like when it's designed for the consumer, not the bank. The Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature. I want to frame this correctly. This is the anti-system card. No annual fee. They cannot trap you into spending to justify a membership. No foreign transaction fees. That silent 3% tax, gone. No redemption minimum. And when you redeem, it automatically deposits into your Fidelity investment account. Your cash back leaves the bank's ecosystem and enters yours automatically without a portal, without a decision. It just moves. This card doesn't try to keep your money. It moves it from spending to investing automatically. That's not a feature. That is a rebellion. Citi Double Cash, 2% sounds great, but 3% foreign transaction fee, net negative if you spend internationally. Venture X, $395 annual fee. You've seen the math already. Robinhood Gold Card, $324 billion in assets, but Fidelity, $17.5 trillion. That's the trust gap. And this is important. So $60 a month into your investment account at 10% average annual return. In 20 years, $45,000. In 40 years, $379,000 for money you were already spending. No extra work, no extra discipline, just a different system. The compounding isn't impressive because of the rate. It's impressive because it's automatic. The system removes the decision. This is how wealth is built, not through excitement, through systems that run without you. If you're running a business, hear this section specifically. $10,000 a month through your business card. Not unusual for a real operation. At 3% foreign transaction fees, that's $300 a month quietly extracted. That is $3,600 a year just for the privilege of using your own money. No annual fee means you can add employee cards without compounding your costs. 2% on everything. No categories to track. One card, one rate, clean books. Your time is leverage. Stop managing points and start managing your business. If you're running a business and you're still managing points instead of managing profit, you have already lost the game. Now listen, 3 silent taxes: the foreign transaction fee, the annual fee, the redemption trap, and the escape hatch. No annual fee, no foreign transaction fee. Automatic investment of your rewards. Not a portal, not a decision, a system. Your credit card is not just a payment tool, it's a reflection of your financial operating system. If your operating system is designed to make you feel smart while extracting from you, you don't have a card problem, you have an identity problem. Wealthy people don't chase reward points. Wealthy people build systems that compound. The credit card you carry is a vote for who are you, for how you see money, for how you see yourself. I'm going to say it again. The credit card you carry is a vote for who you are. Cast the right vote. Drop a comment. What card are you running? Is it building wealth or just making you feel like you're winning? Want to go deeper? The CBL Wealth Blueprint link is in the description. That's where we do this work together. I help, whether you're an individual or whether you are a business owner, get you to building credit, business, and life so the money can flow. Listen, you can't afford to miss this hidden gem that loads you without extracting your money from you. Well, I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. You be blessed until then, and I expect to see you working towards real wealth accumulation and not chasing. Be blessed.